Abstract, I mean, I think you could probably sum it up like the movie Remember the Titans. The quote is said, attitude reflects leadership, Captain. And Michael is super concerned with making sure that the response time is fast, making sure that he knows you, or he knows that, or that you know that he values your emergency and that he's going to take care of it. I called him actually this morning. We got at the office at 7:45, and internet wasn't working, and our provider was telling us it was our fault. And so he had a guy here within an hour taking care of it, and they left and came back when the provider came back to fix what was actually the provider's problem, just to make sure it was all going right. So I think what makes them stand out is just an absolute dedication to service. They're not worried about whose fault it is. They're worried about getting the problem solved. And being a business owner, people that solve my problems are my best friends. Abstract Technology has to be the leader in Lafayette as far as IT consulting, service, maintenance is considered. My business is largely run off of technology. We have 5 people in the office at any given point, and we have 6 computers to tell you how much we use technology, and we absolutely depend on Abstract Technology to make sure that we're up and running. I just think, you know, as a business owner, I need about 48 hours and 24 hours to do all the work that I need to get done. And with something as vital as my computer, computers and technology, I need somebody that can take care of it and do it the right way the first time, and do it in a way that I would want it done, meaning the most cost-effective way and the most quality way to get it done. And with Michael, we've found that. He's got it. It's here in Lafayette. So quit looking for somebody to do your IT for you. Let Michael do it, and you'll see what you've been missing this whole time. Well, there's a couple of different aspects to that. First off, I make signs. I wrap vehicles. I do electrical signs. Computers aren't my forte. That's not how I make money. That's not what I spend my time researching. And so I need to know that when he comes in and says, hey, this needs to be done, I need to be confident that that's what needs to be done. I don't want to be taken advantage of. And so with him being honest, when his guys come in here and say, Kyle, this is what we need to do, it's gotten to the point where I trust him so much that it's go for it. I've got to do other things. I need to take care of my customers, so I don't need to also manage the computer side. And also, we deal with a lot of sensitive data. We deal with a lot of high-end companies, high-end clients that don't have time to send checks or come in person. So we, per our customers' requests, keep a lot of things like credit card information on file here. And so the ability to trust them to be looking at sensitive information and keeping it secure is of utmost importance. I originally hired Michael because I have a very, very expensive piece of equipment that's a wide format digital printer that allows us to print on just about any variety of material you can have. We do full color graphics up to 4.5 feet wide, and it went down, and there's nobody really in the area that's, you know, trained to work on that. And I called him and kind of told him what I was dealing with, and he said, hey, I can't guarantee anything, but I'd love to come take a look at it for you. He spent 4 hours, fixed the problem on a unit that he wasn't even trained on, and actually taught us and figured out a better way to do what we were doing. Our productivity is through the roof because of it, and we've had very little maintenance issues now because of what he found from a piece of equipment that he wasn't even trained to use. It was kind of at that point that it blew me away, and I was like, whatever this guy charges, I'm paying, because it's just worth it. Because if that thing is down, I'm not making any money, and if I'm not making any money, then there's no need to be at work, right? I think that if you have a business that in any way is dependent on technology, then you understand how important it is to always be up and running. And what Michael brings to the table is affordability, quality, and premium service. And that's just, it's unbeatable, it's unmatchable. And one of the greatest values that Michael has is he'll tell you if he can't do what you're asking him to do. He'll tell you why, and he'll either tell you why you should do something else, or he'll tell you who to go to that can do what you need done. He's absolutely phenomenal. Honesty and integrity are hard to find, and that's what he's got.